Hi everybody, welcome back to Morel Design. My name is Bob, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Leo Pendant. Now today's a pretty special day for me. It's my birthday. I am a Leo. I'm finally doing a astrological pendant inside the month that it is, representing. So this is going to be a good one for me. This is the second time I've designed a Leo pendant. The first one I did really early on in my Shapeways adventure. So the initial design, which is you may have seen up on my website now, has changed a little bit. So just to give you a little example, this is the so this is the original design. It's got a cut through to accent the Leo constellation, and this is the new one with raised surfaces. So that's the major difference. We're going to take a closer look at that in a second. So if you were so Leo, let's take a look at it. The character associated that with is a lion. It's a fire sign, so we're going to take a look at the accents around the edge that I'm associating with fire signs for all three fire signs for the constellations each. Because there's 12 months, they're kind of split into four for the four elements. And if you take a look at my past videos, you can take a look at the similarity between the air signs, water signs, and now the fire signs. So if you were born between July 22nd and August 22nd, guess what? You're a Leo. If that's a surprise to you, well, then you learned something today. So let's take a look at the pendant and take a look at what it was and what it went to. All right, here we go. So this is the Leo pendant. It's should be 3/4 of an inch. Just about round. About 1/8 of an inch with the accents. So let's take a look at the piece. This is bronze steel. If we get better focus on this. This is how it comes out in bronze steel. And the accents are actually kind of simple notches around it. So we're trying to keep it simple. And the triangle in the back is the symbol for fire. Much like the other astrological pendants, they're triangular based, and some of them have like an accent on the inside. Some of them don't. Fire does not. Fire is just a triangle pointing up. And this is the Leo constellation with the raised bumps to showcase the stars, and some rails to show where the constellation is connected. So, but this is really the second iteration of the Leo pendant. I do have a previous video showcasing this one here where it was a cut, same diameter, same bronze steel, no accent on the back because the extrusion is cut all the way through it. It's had a half moon in it, but really that was really the key to my redesigning it, because Leo is a sun sign. It's not a moon sign, and this could be taken one of two ways, whether it's a moon coming in or a sun that's eclipsing, that kind of stuff. So it's kind of sent a mixed message, so I'm going to retire this one. But if I do have a customer that sees this video is interested in this, I can put it up for sale. It's not a problem. But I am going to be retiring this one in favor of the new design. So, and here's the plastic prototype. And that's something I recommend if you do any Shapeways or 3D modeling, or additive manufacturing adventures. Prototyping is always, do it with your cheaper materials first, so you can take a look at how it's going to come out, and then go after the more expensive materials. Not that it's a whole lot of difference between the plastics and some of the metals, but I would certainly do plastic before I did a precious metal, and just to make sure I get what I want. And then once you're pleased with the design and its capability, throw it up for sale, or do whatever what your plans are in the precious metals, making sure that your customers will be happy with the precious metal version of it. So this one I am going to, now, since I have prototyped it in plastic and prototyped it in stainless steel, I will be going forward. The precious metals are actually better resolution than these kind of materials. So if it's good in this material, it should be good in the precious materials. So that's it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next week. All right, thanks.